Hello students, in this topic we will be learning about uniform density function. What is the uniform density function, sir? Uniform density function means if the PDF of a random variable is constant in the given range, that is called a uniform density function, or the probability of a random variable is constant for all values. Such type of functions are called uniform density function. For example, a random variable is said to be uniform density function if the PDF of that random variable, that is fx of x, is constant in the given range. For example, if it is constant in the range of a to b and 0 otherwise. That is, if it is having PDF like this, that is called uniform density function. Let me draw the graph of this f of x. For example, if I take a comma b are positive constants, a comma b are positive constants. Let's see. It's existing from where to where, sir? A to b it is existing, sir. What is this value, sir? 1 by b minus a. Why, sir? Because total area should be equal to 1. Total area should be equal to 1. So that's why I written this value. This value is 1 by b minus a. What is given here? That is nothing but k also. So for a uniform PDF, the value of this one is nothing but 1 by b minus a. For example, if it is a symmetrical one, like this, you can take this is b 0. This k value will be 1 by b minus a. I told. If both values are equal, means then what you will get? For example, b value is a. Of course, this is the negative side, negative side. So a minus of minus a. A minus of minus a will be plus a. So 1 by 2a. Directly you can also write when if b equal to a. In such type of situations, already here a value will be negative because in the negative side it is there. Understand? For example, in the previously we done one problem on the experiment of throwing a dice problem. In the dice problem, how we got that? How we got the PDF versus x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you will get PDF means all you will get impulses. PMF means we got the points. PDF means all impulses we got. Or you can also take the experiment of not tossing the gun, that's not. Experiment of throwing a dice only. We are having all are having equal probability, that is 1 by 6. So their PDF we got like this. Suppose if I have some continuous random variable whose PDF is like this, suppose existing from 5 to 10, this is a continuous, they given the PDF. If it is a continuous random variable and they given like this, what is this value? 1 by upper minus lower limit 1 by 5, and this PDF is also uniform and constant. Such type of PDFs also called uniform density functions. Are you getting my point? Uniform density function means it should be constant. Clear? Yeah. See the problem. The uniform PDF is shown given below. Calculate all statistical averages. What is the uniform PDF given? F of x equal to 1 by b minus a lies between a to b, 0 otherwise. We already know about the uniform PDF. Calculate all statistical averages, meaning is, students, calculate mean square value, variance, standard deviation. Mean is denoted with m1. What is the formula for m1? Is nothing but expected value of x. Integral minus infinite to plus infinite x into f of x dx. that is integral a to b x into what is the f of x value? 1 by b minus a into dx. 1 by b minus a is a constant right outside. Integration of x is x square by 2. Substitute the limits, sir. If you substitute the limits, b square minus a square by 2 into b minus a, because upper limit b, lower limit a. B square minus a square can be written as a b minus a into b plus a. B minus a into b plus a. B minus a cancelled. Then it is nothing but b plus a by 2. So mean is nothing but, I already told, simply average value. Second, mean square value. Directly you can remember those values also, because the problems they are asking, directly you can go. What is the mean square value, sir? Mean square value is m2. What is the m2 formula? Expected value of x square, second moment. Integral minus infinite to plus infinite x square into f of x dx. That is integral a to b x square into what is the f of x value? Substitute, sir. F of x is nothing but 1 by b minus a into dx. 1 by b minus a is a constant right outside. X integration x cube by 3. Limits are from a to b. Substitute the limits. So 1 by b minus a into, this is b cube minus a cube, anyhow by 3 is there. What is b cube minus a cube formula? B minus a into b square plus ab plus a square. I am writing. So 1 by b minus a into, that is nothing but b minus a into b square plus ba, correct only, plus a square divided by, anyhow 3 is there. Cancel the similar terms. So finally what is this value? This value is becoming as b square plus ba plus a square divided by 3. That is nothing but mean square value, of course called power. What is the third parameter, sir? Third parameter is variance. Variance means sigma square. What is a sigma square? Is nothing but m2 minus m1 square. What is m2, sir? Just now we got b square plus ba plus a square divided by 3 minus m1. What is the mean value we got? b plus a whole square by 2. 2 square is 4. B plus a whole square meaning is, expansion is b square plus b2ba plus a square. Take the LCM. Here 4b square, here 3b square. Remaining is 1b square. Here 4ba minus here 6, because 2ba na. So remaining is minus 2ba. Here a square, here 3, here 4, here 3. So plus a square divided by LCM is 12. That is nothing but b minus a whole square by 12. B minus a whole square by 12. Last parameter is standard deviation. Standard deviation denoted with a sigma. What is a sigma? Is the root of variance. That is b minus a whole square by 12. So it is nothing but b minus a by root 12 means I can write root of 4 into 3. Root 4 means 2 root 3. Because it comes in the root, 2 becoming 4, 4 3s are 12 only. So final values you need to remember, sir. We got mean value is b plus a by 2. Mean square value is b square minus ba plus a square by, how much came? 3. What is the variance, sir? b minus a whole square by 12. What is standard deviation, sir? b minus a by 2 root 3. Those values if you remember, directly we can solve it. or you can go with procedure also. Clear? See the next problem. A continuous random variable x is in the range -1 to 3. Then calculate all the statistical averages. In the previous problem we taken a general. The small mistake what I done in the previous problem is, when I am writing M2, I written b square minus ba. Not, it is a plus ba plus a square divided by 3. In the calculation I written only, but in the summary I written mistake. Now they given the continuous random variable from where to where is in the range. -1 to 3 is not mentioning anything, means you can take a uniform distribution only. From where to where, sir? -1 to 3. Then what about this value? 1 by upper minus lower limit. 3 minus of -1 plus 1 is 4. Our total area under the PDF will be 1. Calculate first with the normal. Next I will use the summary. How the difference will be there in their evaluation. How simple you can get, I will show you. First one is called mean. M1 is nothing but expected value of x. That is integral minus infinite to plus infinite x into f of x dx. That is -1 to 3 x into what is f of x value? 1 by 4 into dx. That is nothing but 1 by 4 into x square by 2. Limits are from -1 to 3. So 1 by 4 into 3 square is 9 by 2 minus -1 square 1 by 2. 9 minus 1, 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 cancelled, so it's becoming 1. Next, what is the mean square value? Expected value of x square. That is integral minus infinite to plus infinite x square into f of x dx. This existing from -1 to 3 x square f of x value 1 by 4 into dx. Getting my point? Then this is nothing but 1 by 4 into x square integration x cube by 3. Limits are from -1 to 3. Substitute the limits. 1 by 4 into x cube means 3 cube. 27 divided by 3 minus lower limit is -1 cube. -1 cube is -1. Minus becoming 1. So 1 by 3. 27 plus 1, 28 by 3. Are you getting? So 4 sevens. So 7 by 3. Next, what about the variances, sir? Sigma square is m2 minus m1 square. 7 by 3 minus m1 value 1. 1 square is 1. So this is 4 by 3. What about the standard deviation? Root of variance. Root of 4 by 3. Root 4 means I can write directly 2 by root 3. This is with the formula normal calculation. If you remember the summary, how easy you can see. What is the m1? B plus a by 2. B plus a plus a is -1. So by 2. 2 by 2, 1. We got it. What is the mean square value, sir? Mean square is b square plus ba. B square means 3 square. 9 plus ba. B is 3. A is -1. So -3 plus a square -1 square also plus 1 divided by 3. Then 10 minus 3, 7 by 3. Next, what is variance? B minus a whole square by 12 you can write. What is the b values are? B is 3, a is -1. So b minus or minus plus. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square, 16 by 12. How much? 4 3s, 4 4s, 4 by 3. Of course, standard deviation is directly root of that, 2 by root 3. So if you remember the summary, you can do like that. Otherwise, you can follow the same integration. So like you can get the answers will be in a easier and a fast manner. Once if you recognize that A and B. This is called B, this is called A, and we done the problem in the previously for general. Clear?